Today I'm going to show you how to change a team name on Figma quickly and easily so you can keep your workspace organized and up to date. This is a simple but useful trick, especially if your team has rebranded, changed project names, or you just want your Figma account to look cleaner and more professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Figma file browser dashboard. This is the main screen where you can see your recent files, projects, and team spaces. If you don't see your team right away, look over at the left sidebar. Figma keeps your teams and the projects listed there, so this is usually the fastest way to find the one you want to rename. Once you locate the team, look for the small down arrow icon next to the current team name. This arrow opens a menu with team options. Click it, and a list of actions should appear on your screen. From that menu, choose Rename. This is the option that lets you edit the team name directly. After you click Rename, a text field will appear where you can type your new team name. Carefully enter the name you want to use and make sure it's spelled correctly before confirming. This is important because the team name is what everyone on your workspace will see. When you're happy with the new name, confirm the change and Figma will update it immediately. That's all it takes. In just a few clicks, you can rename your team and keep your Figma workspace tidy, clear, and easy to navigate. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.